the summer of the R-rated comedy doing really well at the box office.
Yes.
Is that, exciting for you coming out at the tail end of that? And
I love the fact that R-rated comedies are getting better. I think the reason that they're doing well at the box office is because better movies are being made. And, we're very proud of this movie. We know it's really funny. And, we'd like to be part of that group because we're funny too.
Right. And this is a beloved genre, this sort of body switching. Why do people still continue to like...
I don't know why people love this genre. There are a few of these movies that I love, and there's many that I don't love, but we definitely took the beloved genre and dragged it, we went a little dirty with it, so it's a different take.
And did you work with, I'm assuming, Jason Ryan to sort of tell them, did they spend a lot of time together trying to figure out how to get each other's ticks down?
We had a couple weeks of rehearsals, and they don't imitate each other. They really are. We figured out who the characters were, and they play the characters. They don't really try to imitate each other, although I think they slowly picked up on it because there's a lot of that stuff that goes on.
Right.
It's kind of trippy and weird, but it was not totally studied.
Huh. And tell me about King Arthur. I know that was just announced.
Yeah.
What can we expect from that? What's gonna?
We start shooting in the first quarter of next year. It's not a comedy. It's the King Arthur period as you know it, but it's like kind of the graphic novel approach towards the story. It's really about Arthur and Lancelot and the Butch and Sundance story of how they met and kind of teamed up.
Do you have your eye on anyone yet for Arthur?
We have not started. We're casting, but we aren't talking about that yet.
All right. Well, you have to let us know when you decide.
Yeah, you got it.